Hi, this chocolate pie with a coconut topping is so delicious and amazing that if you make it once, you will always crave it with your tea in the afternoon. Chocolate and coconut are truly a winning combination, making this unique and memorable treat with a soft, fluffy texture. First, let's prepare the coconut topping. We will need 110 grams of shredded coconut, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 110 grams of egg whites, 70 grams of vegetable oil. Put the shredded coconut in a bowl and sift the powdered sugar over it. Mix them well until combined. Then add the egg whites and mix everything thoroughly. Heat the oil on low heat until hot, then add it in several stages while stirring quickly to prevent the eggs from cooking. Then set the coconut mixture aside to cool. For the chocolate cake, we will need 2 eggs, 150 grams of milk, 60 grams of vegetable oil, 180 grams of flour, 90 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of vanilla extract, 30 grams of coconut powder, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Add the vanilla and sugar to the eggs and beat on high speed until the mixture is light and fluffy. Add the milk and oil and mix on low speed for a few seconds. Finally, add the baking powder, cocoa powder, and salt. Gradually add the flour in several stages, folding it gently in one direction until the batter is smooth. Line an apple pie pan with paper liners. Fill 2/3 of each cup with the chocolate batter and then pipe a layer of the coconut mixture on top. If you like, sprinkle some crushed pistachios on top. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 centigrade for 20 to 30 minutes until the top is golden brown. I hope you make it and enjoy it with your loved ones. Hi! Today I want to teach you how to make restaurant style Caesar salad. Caesar salad is one of those really special, delicious and filling salads. In my opinion, its dressing is the tastiest among all dressings. To make a restaurant style Caesar salad, we start with the dressing. We need 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon white vinegar, half of a tablespoon mustard, 1 clove of garlic grated, juice of half a fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon salt. Mix all the ingredients except the olive oil together. Then gradually add the olive oil in stages, stirring well each time until it's fully incorporated. And there you have it. Our Caesar salad dressing is ready. Now let's marinate the chicken breast. Here what you will need. As you can see, I've soaked the chicken breast in 25 grams of onion juice and added the following ingredients. 25 grams onion juice, 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, red pepper, ground coriander, ground ginger and paprika. Half teaspoon bell pepper, it's optional, 12 grams salt, 2 teaspoons grated garlic, 1 tablespoon mustard, 3 tablespoons olive oil. Coat the chicken with all the ingredients except the olive oil. Massage them in well. Then add the olive oil, cover the chicken with plastic wrap and let it rest in the fridge for 3 hours. After 3 hours, place the chicken in a plastic bag and pound it well with a meat tenderizer. Next, we stuff and roll the chicken breast. Here's how: open the plastic bag and spread out the chicken. Place mozzarella cheese in the center of the chicken and roll it up tightly. Wrap the rolled chicken in the same plastic bag and refrigerate for 1 hour to let it set. For the seasoning, you will need 2 teaspoons each of paprika, garlic powder, turmeric, and salt, 1 teaspoon each of black pepper and thyme. First, dip the rolled chicken in beaten eggs, then coat it in the flour. Dip it again in the eggs. Finally, coat it in panko breadcrumbs, making sure to cover all sides thoroughly with the help of your hands. Now you have your breaded chicken fillet ready to be fried. Here are 2 prepared chicken rolls for reference. Fry the chicken rolls over low heat to ensure they cook through and aren't raw inside. Turn the rolls to cook each side evenly. Once cooked, slice the chicken rolls like I did. Take 3 slices of bread and cut off the edges. Cut each slice into small squares by making one vertical and one horizontal cut. Brush the bread pieces with a mixture of 50 grams melted butter, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and black pepper. Toast the bread pieces in a pan without oil, making sure to toast both sides. Cut up 6 lettuce leaves. Toss the lettuce thoroughly with the Caesar salad dressing you made earlier. Add 3 tablespoons of corn and 3 tablespoons of sliced olives. Optional, but it makes the salad tastier. Arrange the toasted bread pieces on top. Place the sliced chicken fillet on the salad. Finally, sprinkle 1 tablespoon of Parmesan cheese over the salad. Your delicious Caesar salad is ready. I hope you make it and enjoy it with your loved ones. Hi, today I'm excited to share a fantastic Turkish appetizer called kozalak manti, which is so amazing and filling that it can easily serve as a full meal. You can make it as finger food or in a more traditional style. To start, grill the eggplants on the stove or in the oven. Once grilled, peel the eggplants and finely chop them. Then mix the chopped eggplants with yogurt, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, and black pepper, and set aside. Grate or finely chop the onion and saute in the little oil. Add the ground beef to the pan, then mix in the spices. Pul biber, it's optional, turmeric, salt, red pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. When the beef changes color, add the finely chopped parsley and mix well. Once the meat is cooked, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and combine thoroughly. Your meat mixtures is now ready. Next, take a sheet of yufka dough. To prevent the other sheets from drying out, cover them with a damp cloth. Cut the yufka sheet in half with scissors. Using a straw, roll the half sheet into a cone shape. Wet the end of the dough and press it to seal the cone. Then fry the rolls you made in a pan with a little oil. Fry each side until golden brown. Now I will show you how to serve it both as a finger food and in a traditional style. First, spread the eggplant mixture in your serving dishes and smooth the surface. Then place the meat mixture in the center of eggplant mixture. Then arrange the yufka rolls around the edges of the dish according to your preference. For finger food, you can place a single yufka roll in each serving. Our delicious appetizer is now ready. I hope you make it and enjoy it with your loved ones.